as we get older, manage disabilities, or cope with chronic pain. Maintaining a clean home can feel like a daunting task. Simple activities like bending down, lifting objects, or standing for long periods can become challenging. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours scrubbing or using heavy cleaning equipment to keep your home tidy. By adopting a few clever habits, you can maintain a fresh and comfortable living space without excessive effort. In today's video, we'll share 11 practical cleaning tips for seniors, individuals with disabilities, and those experiencing pain. These strategies will help you keep your home neat while conserving energy and minimizing strain. If you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content. 1. Gradual decluttering. Decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. Instead of tackling an entire room at once, consider removing just one item per day. Whether it's an outdated piece of clothing, a book you no longer read, or a kitchen tool you never use, small efforts can lead to noticeable results. Placing a donation box near the entrance can make it easier to part with unnecessary items. Nancy, a 73-year-old retired librarian, finds this method useful. Every week, I place an item in my donation box. It keeps my home from feeling overcrowded. Slowly clearing out unused items will create a more spacious and manageable environment without draining your energy. 2. Utilize smart cleaning gadgets. Modern technology can make household cleaning significantly easier. Devices like robotic vacuums, lightweight cordless vacuums, and automatic mops take care of the hard work for you. Self-cleaning appliances such as ovens and air purifiers further reduce the need for manual effort. James, a 71-year-old retired engineer, appreciates his robotic vacuum. I call mine Rosie. She takes care of the floors while I enjoy my coffee. It's a lifesaver. These devices are especially beneficial for those with mobility issues or chronic pain, reducing the need for strenuous cleaning while keeping the home tidy. 3. Establish a simple nightly routine. Spending just 5 minutes before bed to tidy up can have a significant impact. Straighten the pillows, fold blankets, and return misplaced items to their spots. This small habit ensures that you wake up to an orderly space. Margaret, a 72-year-old retired teacher, follows this routine religiously. Tidying up before bed makes my mornings so much more pleasant. Instead of starting the day with clutter, you'll wake up to a peaceful, well-kept home, making daily life more manageable. 4. Opt for easy-to-maintain furniture materials when choosing or replacing furniture. Go for materials that are stain-resistant and simple to clean. Microfiber and leather are excellent choices as they repel dirt and are effortless to wipe down. Susan, a 74-year-old retired interior designer, recommends microfiber for its practicality. Spills wipe away instantly. It's ideal for a low-maintenance home. Selecting furniture made from easy care fabrics will save time and effort, helping you maintain a clean home with less physical exertion. 5. Use Lazy Susan trays for accessibility. Lazy Susan trays aren't just for kitchens. They can be a fantastic organization tool for any space, including bathrooms, pantries, and cleaning supply areas. These rotating trays allow easy access to items without needing to stretch or bend too much. Robert, a 76-year-old grandfather, swears by his, "I no longer have to strain to reach things at the back of the shelf. Just a simple spin, and everything is right there." This small change can reduce unnecessary physical strain while keeping your home organized. 6. Set a timer for quick cleaning sessions. Cleaning doesn't have to take hours. Instead, break it up into short, manageable sessions. Setting a timer for 10 to 15 minutes and focusing on a single area at a time can make the process feel less overwhelming. Diane, a 75-year-old retired accountant, uses this method. I set my timer for 10 minutes and clean as much as I can. It's amazing how much I get done in such a short time. These focused cleaning bursts help maintain order without feeling exhausting. 7. Keep your bathroom clean with spot cleaning instead of letting grime build up and having to scrub for hours later. Get into the habit of quick spot cleaning after each use. Wiping down surfaces and using a squeegee on the shower can prevent soap scum and mildew from forming. Laura, a 70-year-old retired nurse, cleans while brushing her teeth. I wipe down the bathroom counter and sink each morning. It keeps everything looking fresh without much effort. By taking care of small messes daily, you'll avoid the need for deep cleaning sessions that can be physically demanding. 8. Follow the 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than a minute, do it immediately. Simple actions like wiping up spills, putting away dishes, or hanging up a coat can prevent clutter from piling up. Michael, a 74-year-old retired teacher, follows this rule religiously. Whenever I notice something out of place, I handle it right away. It keeps my home looking neat without much effort. Small tasks done instantly make a big difference in maintaining order. 9. Switch to a wheeled laundry basket. Carrying a heavy laundry basket can be difficult, especially for those with mobility issues or joint pain. A wheeled laundry basket allows you to transport clothes effortlessly. Linda, a 76-year-old retired nurse, made the switch and says, "It's so much easier on my back. I just roll it to the laundry room instead of lifting." This small change helps prevent strain and makes laundry day more manageable. 10. Daily surface wipes for quick maintenance. Instead of cleaning an entire room at once, wipe down frequently used surfaces daily. Kitchen counters, dining tables, and nightstands can accumulate dust and dirt quickly. Stephen, a 73-year-old retired chef, has made this a habit. I wipe down my stovetop after every meal. It saves me a lot of scrubbing later. This small, consistent effort helps maintain cleanliness without overwhelming cleaning sessions. 11. Keep cleaning supplies easily accessible. Having cleaning supplies within reach reduces effort. Store them in multiple areas of your home so you don't have to carry them around. Carol, a 75-year-old retired nurse, keeps a small basket of supplies in each bathroom. It's convenient, and I never have to go searching for what I need. Keeping essential cleaning tools nearby simplifies the process and makes quick touch-ups effortless. These 11 practical cleaning tips can help you maintain a tidy and comfortable home with less effort and strain. Do you have any favorite cleaning strategies that work for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.